Yeah. Where we going? Yes, sir. Gonna see if we get Lil Harry on his first. Walleye. Yo. Hey, what's up? You already know we out here. Lil Harry in the truck because it's cold. Hey, where we going?
Minnetonka, 3 feet of water, Grierson Bay, bro.
We're going to Lake of the Woods. We're going to the walleye capital of the world. We about to try out Lake of the Woods. It's going to be my first time up there. So hopefully we can get on a bunch of fish. We're going to see what happens.
Someone's catching eel pout tonight.
Hey, eel pout. Hey,
let's go.
Hey, I'm hoping somebody catch a 30-inch walleye. Who going to get it? Hey, maybe this little dude up in here. Look, he packed up in here. You ready to catch a fish?
Yeah.
We got another 2.5 hours, and we about to make it to the lake. So we'll catch y'all on the ice when we get set up. That big walleye.
What's that nigga talking about?
Yeah, so we set up. See Sean right there. So we got the hose right here. I got a chair. Let me show y'all how we set up out here. Got cot here. A jackery back over there. Look, we got the light hanging ghetto leak because Sean set it up. Little Harry. There's another little cot under there. Got some snacks. We need to set up, rearrange a little better in here. Trulies. Tony and Travis set up over there. We might have to have a little break. Either drink some Trulies or some burr. Cause it's cold out. I'm trying to catch some fish too. I'm getting my stuff set up. First Vic, little walleye. No skunk, baby, on Lake of the Woods. He said, oh, but he gonna go back though. When he on this bigger. Travis, what you got, bro?
Skunk, baby!
Woo, it's so windy out this month. Look.
21-incher. Going back.
John Hall strikes. I missed the hook set though. He's small. He's small, not that big. Oh, he can run in. That's a decent size rod. Ooh, yeah. That's an eater. There we go. Got an eater. We got ourselves a nodder. We got ourselves a nodder. He probably went to you. Don't drop the phone in the room. He probably went to your shit after he smacked my shit.
I can't believe I'm about to take home $47,000 in cash.
Oh, he's a good eater. He's stuck. He's stuck. Oh, let him run. Pull him over. He's stuck. He's stuck at the bottom of the hole. Hold on. I got him. Yeah! Another good eater.
He's bigger than the one I had. That's probably my fish. I missed it.
Fuck!
They smacked the shit out.
Yes, sirski. They loving us. I ain't catching much, so I'm about to whip up some ramen. Whipping up that gumbo. Hey, so we had to go in and get some propane because we were some dummies and didn't fill up before we came out.
You know me, I hate being cold.
Yep, so we refilled 3 propane tanks. We good for the next 2 days. Yeah. Here we caught a baby sauger. Oh, hold on. Hold on, boy.
I am.
Oh, no, you're not. He's gonna jump if I let him go. Let's show the camera. Sean got one on.
I'm getting one soon.
Sauger. That's a nice sauger. That's a walleye.
It's a sock. It's a walleye. You ready?
But really?
Back down the hole he go.
Where?
Put him in the hole.
Let's see.
Bro.
Smack him. I can smack him off the shovel thing. Super hard.
Bro, he's not going. You don't want to go down? Get him down.
Get him up.
Gucci, he kicked off. Sean with another one.
You be getting all the fish.
He's small. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Another small one.
Midget.
Got Dink City.
Midget.
Travis in here whipping up them steaks.
We
Yes,
got
sir.
4 New York strips.
Yes, sir. Tony
up, guys?
Tone.
What's up? What's up? We're about to go inside and cook some steak. Hey, let them know it's been kind of like a struggle out here. What? A struggle getting stuck.
Hey,
But
it's not like how my truck was last week though. I'm gonna put that clip in here for you right now so y'all can see.
Hey, last week Harry's playing Tokyo Drift.
Truck is about to flip. You know it's not Hall Outdoors if we not cooking. Look at that sear on that bad boy.
You show the fans all the fish yet?
Nah, I didn't show them yet. We're gonna show them in a little bit. Hey, we got a little mixture bag going. Tony got a tula bee, got a bourbon.
Burbot, walleye. Hey,
sir.
if you guys ever want to catch a fish, hit TT guide service.
They
Google
can't
me,
see your
give me
face.
5 stars.
Your light all
Yeah,
over
we're
the
on
place.
Minnetonka.
There you go. There you go.
Hit me up, TT Guide Service. Hey, Google me. I got 5 stars all over the board. I'll take you out. Any kind of fish, I'll put you on it. I got you guys.
Tell them where you specialize.
Hey, I want
in.
tuna. I specialize in Minnetonka all the time, baby.
Boiling up some water. Let's get these 4 cheese mashed potatoes to go with the steak. Eating that steak on the ice. Yeah. Yeah. That's a walleye. You don't want no stickers on it? Ah, bitch, you bit me, man. Yeah, cool. Nice little walleye. Yes, sir. Look, you see we got 3 cousins, Sean. Look a little hairy. Got mine. I got that laptop. Watch me some couple movies or something that I downloaded. Look, you know you gotta, when you come out camping, you gotta have some power source. Got that Jackery. Shout out to my boy, Jarrell Rivers. He got me down packed with it. Look, we ghetto rig, you know, the LED lights. We got the little dim ones on right now. And the bright ones, I ain't lying, look. Best investment, look, $10 for some LEDs. You just need a little power bank. You can run them, or you can run them off the Jackery. So, right now, what is it? We got here, Thursday night, this Friday night. So, we got Saturday, tomorrow, then we leaving like Sunday morning. Well, we got some walleyes in there, some saugers, some little small, kind of some smaller ones, but eaters. But hopefully we're going to get on some. Tony over there, he got a burbot.
And
I'm comfortable. Got the tank on. Tony over there, he got a burbot. He got some walleye. He got a nice walleye over there. He got an 18-inch one over there. I don't know if Travis got any. I think Travis might got some couple stuff over there too. He got some saugers. But we hoping for some better results tomorrow. So we gonna see what happens. I'm gonna chill out tonight. Like I said, watch me some movies. See what happens. I got the line alarm set. So we gonna see if a fish wanna eat. Gonna make some hot chocolate quick. It's Saturday morning, y'all. Basically about to get some breakfast started here. I got my hot chocolate going. Sean caught a walleye early this morning, like right before sunrise. We've been getting a few marks, but we're gonna see if we can get on some today. I might head out tonight, we're gonna see. But basically been on the ice for more than like 36 hours, so we're gonna see what happens, y'all. Got this spam going. Yeah! Get some eggs up in there and some bacon too. Fucking yes.
Yeah.
Going in there. Get them in.
Oh, beat the fuck out of me. That's fine.
Sauger. Yep. And cool. You see, oh, big fuck on my shit.
Because I ain't feeling that first, and I was real, and I felt that.
Yeah, he got that sauger. Yes, sir. That's why I need to put the minnow head on my stuff. I basically got that tail. Another sauger.
Let me see. It's a walleye. It's a walleye.
Baby.
Come back.
Yeah, that's a wally.
There's a
Wally toes.
There's two of them down there. There's another one, a bigger one down there. A small one down there. I'm gonna catch it. Look at the small one. What you call a small one? Solid. You probably got it.
Exursion sweating dorshit. Kelme ateos done enstre. Done ene pain.
Sucker.
That's probably what the fuck was about to eat mine, but he. That shit.
It might be big, but mine is small.
That nigga back.
Come forth, Jennifer.
Oh my, I almost fell.
Get that baby. Right. We about to get up out of here.
Where is
Someone fell into a slug. An eel. Come, push your friend into the pool.
Come, push your
No. Yes.
He got one. Oh! Dude!
Yeah, that's what I said. That shit was long like that too.
Soul.
This stuff was gone.
Banger.
It's a big ass fucking monster.
I don't think so.
Oh, it's a big ass monster. Hurry up, get down there, nigga. Get his ass. Get his ass. No, he's swimming away. No, come back, please. Oh, it's a big ass fucking mark. He's still there. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, bitch. Come on, pussy. Go down there too, nigga. He went to the bottom. He might fast one. Oh, that was a big ass.
Go to the bottom.
I can't see my stuff here.
I mean, that's all shit.
So.
Wow. You got the sauce all on your cheeks.
Where that from?
Bro, from Paid in Full, nigga.
That's the what?
I've been paid in full.
You got the soy sauce?
And he said he got to know when he went out with his girl and he bought her to that restaurant and he said he got the sauce all on the cheeks.
I don't know his number.
Oh, you don't remember, huh?
We're gonna leave.
Oh, that's a big ass fucking mark.
And that's a wrap on
It's a
Lake of
wrap.
the Woods.
Hey, not bad. We did one spot. We hunkered down, caught some fish. And now we're going to head out to Minnetonka. 3 feet of water, Carson's Bay, boys.
Yeah. Let's go.
How come you guys always catch fish then more than my dad?
Who's you guys?
What do you mean?
Who?
You both.
Who?
Us?
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 Yes.
Us.
Us.
All right.
Okay. Alright, y'all. So it's a wrap on the Lake of the Woods video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. As y'all can see in that last clip, Tony and Travis try to be funny with my son. Say, hey, why do y'all catch more fish than my dad? But you know, all I gotta say, cap. But hey, it was good getting out there with my boys, man. It's always a good time. Got out with my brother, my boy Tony Tone, Travis. Hey, it was a good time. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, it was hectic out there. We got stuck a few times. Man, it was so windy. I wish I would have got some more footage of us when we got stuck, having to pull each other out and dig Tony's truck out. It was crazy out there. But hey, I had a good time. It's always a good time with the boys. And we got on some fish. You know, I wish we could have got on some more, but hey, it was still good. You know, it's pretty steady. We got some small saugers, some walleyes. Tony caught some good fish. But I really didn't get a lot of footage of their catches and stuff. I wish I would have went over there to the tent every time they caught something. But we definitely gonna do some more footage out on Mille Lacs. We got some Mille Lacs trip coming up. Well, a few Mille Lacs trip. We probably gonna be out there a couple times. And we still got a lot more fishing to do, guys. Hey, if there's anything you want to see us do on this channel, hey, leave a message down in the comments. And I'm gonna try and do my best to do something. I'm trying to get the whole fam out there, get my wife and Soraya and Lil Harry out, do some camping. But you know, Frena, she kind of scared of the heights, but we gonna get her out there. I had her out last weekend, but I didn't do any footage or anything. But we gonna get some videos coming, and you already know it's Haul Outdoors. We catch it, clean it, cook it, then eat it. Hey, tight lines, y'all. Be safe.